Hello everyone. For this tutorial video I like to talk about formulas you can use to relate surface integrals to vector fields. The surface integral of a vector field is expressed as the surface integral of a vector field dot product change in surface. And this can be rewritten as the normal vector or perpendicular vector times the change in surface on the right hand side of the dot product. This means if we assume that we have a surface z equals g of x comma y, then the normal would be given as defined earlier, which is the tangent or derivative divided by the unit tangent. So we plug in this longhand expression as well as the longhand expression for the vector field and the surface area, and see that the surface areas cancel out. So the surface integral of a vector field like this is the normal double integral of the dot product of the vector field and the tangent vector. Now that we have figured out how surface integrals work for vector fields, we can move on from Calculus 3 and toward the study of statistics, which is different than other forms of math because while the other forms of math gave you finite answers, statistics is used to predict things that you cannot get a 100% concrete answer for. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.